Hi everyone, it's Dana from First Coffee Then Colors. I am here with my model, who is my lovely mother, and we are talking about which blues look best for salt and pepper hair. So salt and pepper is lovely, and you want to make sure you bring out how cool salt and pepper hair really is. And we are trying blues on today. So let's look at the best blues. And I realize like there is sun reflecting off my car right now. So if you see a light on my head, that is what that is. Okay. So first we have this warm, bright, light blue. It's not the best. It's fine, but we can do better. So salt and pepper hair is definitely cool, has a lot of cool undertones. So we want to make sure that we have lots of blue in everything that we're wearing, including the shade of blue that we're wearing. We do not want too much gold. This is fine. I think it's doable, but we can do better. It doesn't have a huge amount of flow happening between the head and the color. So let's keep going. This is still, it's blue-green, a bit teal. I feel like it's okay also. I can definitely see some of the shininess in her hair, which is what we want for sure. However, it is a little muted. I would say we can still do better. And then we come to this color, which is a light, muted, cool shade of blue. And it is cooler, so I think that with her undertone it is much better. However, it's a little bit muted for her, meaning it's just not bringing the level of brightness and contrast that we need to go with the amazing contrast of the salt and pepper hair. So by far, the best one is going to be this, which is, I would say like a cobalt blue, but it's just such a beautiful color and is really just bringing the shine out in her hair so much. It gives it a lot of life. It gives it a lot of shine. She overall looks just brighter and as if somebody turned the light on right here. So if you have salt and pepper hair, when in doubt, go for this cobalt blue color, which is just amazingly lovely on winters with salt and pepper hair, because if you do have salt and pepper hair, you are likely a winter. All right, so if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, like, share, and if you want to join me on my next class, make sure you comment list and I will add you to the list, and we will see you in the next video.